Up first this evening, 48 persons are now in custody after the Clarendon police raided an illegal party on Central Avenue in Maypen this afternoon. Head of operation in the parish, Superintendent Christopher Phillips, is again telling residents to obey the COVID-19 protocols. Anthony Lugg has the details.
One by one, patrons held at the illegal party in Clarendon marched into this bus and were later transported to the Maypen police station. It all happened shortly after one Sunday afternoon when lawmen swooped down on the event being held on Central Avenue in Maypen.
When we came to this location, several vehicles were seen. A big party was in session. On the approach of the police, several persons ran in different houses, hiding in cars all over the place. So we did manage to hold on to the persons who are responsible, the owners for this property, who were basically entertaining this event.
But just how big was this party? A monitor box, pots, and the number of persons detained give some clue. Our news team obtained the flyer, which was said to be circulating on social media promoting the event. Its name, Take It to the World 9th Anniversary.
From all indication, this seems to be a regular event. Yes, it was well organized in terms of the tents and the food and the tables, the liquor, all of that. So they deliberately planned for this event, which is a clear breach of the disaster risk management. Over 200 persons we estimate were at this event. And if you look around, you notice the kind of activities that were taking place. There's music system, the amount of vehicles, several vehicles that are parked along the roadway and so on.
Speaking of vehicles, the driver of this Nissan Latio was found in his car sweating, trying to hide from the lawmen. We were told he was inside the car for close to 3 hours. Like the others, he was escorted into the truck and then transported to the police station. The clampdown comes 48 hours after the Westmoreland police prosecuted 29 persons for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act on Friday. Superintendent Phillips again urged citizens to adhere to the COVID-19 protocols.
My team is motivated and ready for the road, and we're going to come and enforce accordingly. We're not going to let up. In fact, we are out doing multiple roadblocks across the division today.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.